Hey everyone, welcome to Glams Glow. Today, I'm going to share how to design a sweet and stylish teen girls room, focusing especially on soft pink and pastel tones that create an amazing atmosphere. Ready to transform your space? Let's get started. Tips 1. Color palette and the power of pink tones. Pink is a classic for teen girl rooms. The key is choosing the right shades and combinations. Soft shades like dusty pink, pastel pink, and candy pink add warmth and sweetness. Pairing these with neutral colors like white, cream, or light gray keeps the room fresh and modern. With pink accessories, you can create an energetic yet calm vibe. Tips 2. Furniture choices and functionality. Minimal and functional furniture helps your room stay tidy and easy to use. White or light-colored pieces blend perfectly with pink tones. For example, a sleek desk with thin legs and a simple, chic bookshelf work great. Add pastel-colored pillows or a soft blanket to your bed's headboard to soften the atmosphere. Tips 3. Lighting to create ambience. The right lighting can completely change the mood of your room. Maximize natural light by keeping windows clear and using sheer curtains. Warm-toned LED lights and a romantic desk lamp make your space cozy, especially in the evenings. You can also decorate walls or shelves with LED strip lights for a modern, youthful touch. Tips 4. Sweet details. Textiles and accessories. Small touches make a big difference. Soft plush rugs, pastel cushions, and knitted blankets add both comfort and style. Complement your bed or chair with pillows in pink, white, and light gray tones. Minimal art prints or cute posters on the walls add personality. Gold or rose gold accessories like mirror frames and desk decorations bring a luxurious yet cozy vibe. Tips 5. Organization and storage solutions. Organization is a must in a teen girl's room. Use transparent or pastel-colored boxes and decorative baskets to keep things tidy without ruining the look. Adding small plants on shelves brings freshness and life to your space. A neat and functional room boosts your motivation and makes the space feel bigger. Tip 6. Show your style. Personal touches. Make your room truly yours by adding things you love. Your favorite posters, photo memories, handmade crafts, and special gifts bring soul to your space. Pink-themed small accessories, your favorite books, and music boxes turn your room into your own little world. Tip 7. Mood board. Every girl needs a little inspiration corner. Dedicate a part of your wall or a cork board to a vision board. Fill with magazine cutouts, your dream goals, aesthetic stickers, and your personal motto. This not only decorates, but also motivates. Tips 8. Scented room touch, room perfumes or candles. A dreamy room isn't just about visuals, scent matters too. Add a vanilla or floral scented candle, or use a pink diffuser. Choose soft, calming scents that reflect your personality. Your room should feel like you, even when someone walks in with their eyes closed. Remember, your room is your place to relax and recharge. I hope these teen girl room decorating tips help you create a sweet pink and stylish space. What's your favorite decoration detail? Don't forget to share in the comments below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Glams Glow. See you in the next video. Take care.